Hello viewer, you are watching My Success 26, where you get all finance related job updates and finance domain knowledge. So let's see. In today's video, we'll see how to change change column in transform column into row or vice versa. So a short trick for this, so we'll see in detail. But before that, I have one request with you, that if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. So this is a column B. Select the data first which you want to rotate, or from column to vertical to horizontal or vice versa. Okay, so this is a column and we want to change from vertical to horizontal. So first hit copy and then select the cell where you want to shift the data. Paste spatial and transpose. OK button. The data is transformed into horizontally. Now again, if we want to change the data in vertically, how we do it? Select the data, copy it and select the cell where you want to shift the data from horizontally to vertically. Press paste spatial and transform. Again the data shifted transferred to the same place from where we get it. Okay, this is a short trick and this is very useful trick in day-to-day life. Hope you like video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.